When it comes to pickup trucks, the Ford F-150 Raptor and the Tesla Cybertruck are two prominent names that capture the attention of muscle car and advanced technology enthusiasts. Each vehicle offers a unique experience. One embodies the tradition of powerful pickup trucks, while the other represents a vision of the future with advanced electric technology. Both have distinct characteristics but share impressive off-road capabilities, strength, and the unique qualities of their respective brands. The Ford F-150 Raptor and Tesla Cybertruck are both powerful pickup trucks, but they differ significantly in terms of engines, performance, and technology. The Ford F-150 Raptor is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost turbocharged engine, delivering up to 450 horsepower and 691 Nm of torque, allowing the truck to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 5.2 seconds. This version uses gasoline and a turbocharged engine, offering a balance of high performance and better fuel efficiency compared to naturally aspirated engines. The F-150 Raptor can tow up to 8,200 pounds and carry up to 1,410 pounds, making it strong enough for heavy-duty tasks, especially on rough terrain. However, the fuel consumption of the F-150 Raptor is around 14 to 15 liters 100 kilometers in mixed conditions, which is relatively high compared to electric vehicles. In contrast, the Tesla Cybertruck is completely different, as it uses an electric engine, offering powerful performance and outstanding energy efficiency. The Tesla Cybertruck comes in three versions: single-motor RBUD, dual-motor ABD, and tri-motor AWD. The tri-motor ABD version, the highest-end model, delivers up to 845 horsepower and a maximum torque of 10,000 Nm, enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.6 seconds, an impressive figure for any pickup truck. With a towing capacity of up to 11,000 pounds, the Tesla Cybertruck surpasses the Ford F-150 Raptor in towing ability. Furthermore, with its electric engine, the Cybertruck has a range of up to 515 kilometers per full charge, helping reduce operating costs and environmental impact. Compared to the F-150 Raptor, the Tesla Cybertruck uses electricity instead of gasoline, saving on energy costs and reducing CO2 emissions, making it an excellent choice for those concerned about sustainability and long-term cost savings. Both the Ford F-150 Raptor and Tesla Cybertruck feature remarkable exterior improvements, each with its own distinct design. The Ford F-150 Raptor continues to maintain the rugged and muscular style typical of pickup trucks, with sharper and more powerful LED headlights than the previous generation, improving lighting performance and giving the vehicle a tougher look. The daytime running lights have been redesigned with angular lines, giving the truck a sportier and more modern appearance. The F-150 Raptor has overall dimensions of 5,890 millimeters in length, 2,490 millimeters in width, and 1,970 millimeters in height, giving it a massive and sturdy look. The wheels on this version are 17 inches, suitable for off-road capabilities, with tough tires that handle rough terrain well. Other upgrades, such as the Fox Live Valve suspension system, make the F-150 Raptor more agile and stable on all terrains, while integrated technologies like the 360-degree camera and blind spot monitoring enhance safety and convenience. On the other hand, the Tesla Cybertruck, the highest-end model, is designed completely differently, featuring a body made of stainless steel that provides superior durability and impact resistance, unlike any other pickup truck on the market. The Cybertruck's overall dimensions are 5,885 millimeters in length, 2,027 millimeters in width, and 1,900 millimeters in height, with a narrower width and shorter height compared to the Ford F-150 Raptor, but it has a ground clearance of 406 millimeters, allowing it to easily overcome harsh terrains. The wheels on the Cybertruck can be up to 20 inches, paired with large tires to optimize off-road capabilities. The Cybertruck's technology is significantly upgraded, with features like a 360-degree camera, ultrasonic sensors, and autopilot, providing high levels of automation and driver assistance. Notably, the Cybertruck's long and slim LED headlights not only give the truck a very modern look, but also enhance its lighting efficiency, creating a striking and impressive appearance. With these improvements, the Ford F-150 Raptor maintains the traditional pickup style with strong off-road abilities. while the Tesla Cybertruck represents a step forward in technology and design, with a durable body and superior modern features. The interiors of the Ford F-150 Raptor and Tesla Cybertruck offer different experiences, clearly reflecting the style and features of each model. The Ford F-150 Raptor retains the traditional pickup truck style with a spacious and comfortable interior, designed for practicality and durability. The seats are made of high-quality leather, with electric adjustment and heating features, offering comfort for long trips, especially in off-road conditions. The Raptor's center console is equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen supporting the Sync 4 infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Metal and hard plastic details are common in the cabin, fitting the rugged and utilitarian style of a pickup truck while still ensuring comfort and luxury for the users. Additionally, the Ford F-150 Raptor includes a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, offering high-quality music experiences on the journey. Meanwhile, the Tesla Cybertruck presents a completely different interior, modern and minimalist, aligning with the futuristic design of an electric vehicle. The interior of the Cybertruck primarily uses stainless steel and premium upholstery, creating a space that is both durable and sophisticated. There are fewer traditional buttons. Instead, it features a prominent 17-inch touchscreen that controls almost all vehicle functions, from air conditioning to the entertainment system and even seat adjustments. While the seats may not be as soft as those in the Ford F-150, they are designed for practicality and comfort on long journeys. The Tesla Cybertruck also comes with features like a premium sound system and USB ports to enhance convenience for users. One of the strengths of the Cybertruck is its spacious and airy interior, thanks to its large chassis and cabin space, particularly the flat floor design, which allows ample legroom for passengers. Both the Ford F-150 Raptor and Tesla Cybertruck come equipped with advanced safety features, reflecting the manufacturer's commitment to protecting drivers and passengers. The Ford F-150 Raptor is equipped with a range of standard safety features, including Ford Co-Pilot 360, a safety technology package that includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring with cross-traffic alert. The 360-degree camera system allows the driver to see all angles of the vehicle, particularly useful when navigating tight spaces or reversing. Additionally, the Raptor features downhill assist and hill start assist, making it easier to drive on rugged terrain. These features ensure maximum safety when driving, especially in off-road conditions. As for the Tesla Cybertruck, this electric vehicle offers an advanced safety system with autopilot and full self-driving, FSD, allowing the truck to drive itself to a high degree, including automatic highway driving, lane changing, and parking. The Cybertruck is also equipped with a set of 360-degree cameras and ultrasonic sensors that help detect obstacles around the vehicle, providing alerts and supporting automatic braking when necessary. Features like automatic emergency braking, collision warning, and cruise control are also present on the Cybertruck, reducing the risk of collisions and ensuring passenger safety. Additionally, thanks to its stainless steel exterior, the Cybertruck offers excellent protection in the event of a collision, providing superior safety when driving on the road and in urban environments. Regarding pricing, the Ford F-150 Raptor starts at around $70,000 USD for the base model, while the Tesla Cybertruck Tri-Motor AWD, the highest-end version, starts at about $69,900 USD, which is similar or slightly lower than the Ford F-150 Raptor. However, the Tesla Cybertruck offers advantages in electric technology and self-driving features, while the Ford F-150 Raptor stands out for its powerful off-road capabilities and traditional premium pickup truck features. In conclusion, if you love a powerful pickup truck that is suitable for harsh off-road conditions and are willing to use gasoline, the Ford F-150 Raptor is the ideal choice. On the other hand, if you are looking for a pickup truck to use in urban environments with an innovative design, electric technology, and self-driving capabilities along with superior durability, the Tesla Cybertruck is a very attractive option. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to not miss any new videos. Now, goodbye and see you next time.